am on my brother's grave, boss. You get paid. I'm on time, I'm not like that, boss. I can't be serving jail time for this, man. My cousin's gonna pay soon to get there.
How did you end up on tag then?
Yeah?
How did you end up on tag?
Oh, long story, Jack. Basically, I went into a gold shop.
Yeah.
Went to sell gold, armed robbery, boss.
Really?
Yeah, me and my mate.
Shitty now, that weren't a good idea.
I got caught on my mate, managed to get away because he blasted on me. It's madness, Gav.
Well, as long as you're on the straight and narrow now.
Yeah, I am. I just pay my way with everything, boss, so I can't be asked to get locked up.
Hey?
It's mad round here, there's police everywhere around here.
Around Litchfield?
Yeah.
I ain't seen many tonight.
Yeah, there's loads around here, Gaff, dimballs and that. Yeah, man. There's fucking drug dealing around here, there's loads of drug dealing around here.
Yeah.
Me and my cousin are the main ones around here. Yeah, bud, coke, everything we do, blues. Everything, bro.
Is he outside with the money?
Yeah, boss.
Because I can't let you out until he's paid, I'm afraid. That's
No, boss. Give me the word. Come in there, bro. Yeah, boss. Hello? No, you've got to come here. Card.
No, he's got to come to the car.
Paralysed, that's why.
He's got to come to the car.
Yeah.
No, he's got to come and pay it. I can't let you out until he's paid.
Boss, he's paralysed, that's why.
Can't help you, he's got to come.
I'll just give you a bangle, I'm going to that door there.
No, he's got to come out. He ain't coming, is he?
Boss, he is. He's paralysed. Look, see that door there, boss? Look. See that? Look, yeah. See that flat there, bottom flat there.
I know, but he's got to come out and pay it. That's what you told me.
Hello. He won't let me out first. He said that you've got to come. I've told him you're paralysed and everything, but he's saying no. Boss, I've eaten drinks.
Just sit down. Sit down now. Sit down. Hey! The police are coming now.
Why are you locking me up for?
Right, the alarm's going off now. Now you're going to the police station.
Oh, yeah.
You are? Sit down. Pack it in now! Sit down! Sit down! Pack it in now! It! I can't open it!
Open it now.
I can't open it!
Yeah, I've got a knife.
Hey!
I've got a knife.
No! I can't open it!
Open it now.
I can't.
So are we.
And you're just going to go round in circles until the police car comes for you. And you said you're on tag. So you're going to be in fucking massive shit.
I don't care. I'm attacking from those where I am.
No, Litchfield.
Tell them it's an emergency. He's kicking the shit out of the car. And he's telling me he's got a knife. He's threatening he's got a
No
knife.
knife, you mad.
You're on camera saying that you've got a knife.
I ain't got no knife. I've got a flip flop. Wow. Please, just drive through.
Yes, because I've got to stay around here near the police station.
Right, so
Right, put through now, Johnson, alright.
What?
I'm getting put through now.
Is that you still not? There's a police car here.
that police did just phone him. I did just phone police. Oh, the rear.
Can you help me, please?
Huh?
He says he's got a knife. He's
Well,
kicking the hell out of the car.
He's
He's going absolutely mental. But he says he's got a knife.
Okay.
So what do you want me to do? I've got him locked in at the moment. He's extremely
The
violent.
police can come.
And he's on tag apparently.
So my driver's now outside Litchfield Police
I'll
Station.
tell the police what you've done to me.
Yeah, well it's all on camera, mate.
Go on, lock me up all you want.
There. But he's been
Oh,
He's kicking the hell out of the inside of the car. So I can't let him
I've
out.
got my sliders. What knife?
Alright, calm down, mate. Calm
What
down.
knife? It's different when you're threatening me, saying you're going to stab
Hey,
me
calm
up,
down.
you
Calm down.
Put your hands off.
No,
If you don't put your hands off,
tase me all you want. It's
Put
different
your
when he's
hands
saying it
out.
to me.
have you seen?
Yeah, alright, we'll sort things. Just stand still. Just search her.
Yeah, I did hit the window, do you know?